You okay?
Mm-hmm.
You okay?
Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm going to put numbing on after I get this pass. I'm only going to do a few passes. Is that better?
Mm-hmm.
I'll put some number on it.
Mm-hmm.
I kind of like this song. I don't know why. I don't even like Justin Timberlake, but I like this song.
You know how it sounds, right?
What?
How that sounds like.
I do.
The beat.
Yeah. Sexy bad. You okay?
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah, it's painful.
It's almost done.
Okay.
I'm just trying to make sure, like at the edges, so I can, that lifts up. All right, this is pretty much done on this side. All right, we'll go to the next one. Yeah, this side is not too bad, but still I'm going to do the same removal because I don't want the one side being a lot lighter than the other side. I think that would be kind of weird, but so that, you know, in another month or so, then we can put some color back in, I'm hoping. Oh my God, I think this song is so fun. You know what I'm saying? I don't care. I know, I am a big kid. I know, I'm sorry.
Oh, me too.
I'm like really old, but I'm a big kid.
You look great.
I'm old, man. I'm like your mother's age. How old's your mom?
60.
I'm going to be 62 next month.
No way.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought you and you maybe 50.
Oh, no, not that far away.
You have kids?
I do. My oldest one will be 40, actually, in a few weeks.
Oh, 40. I'm 41.
You're what? You're 31?
41.
41, yeah. So you're my kid's age. And my youngest one is 34.
My sister is 34. You only have 2 kids?
No, I have 3.
No.
My middle child she'll be 36. Yep.
Boys and girls or just?
Boy, girl, boy. Uh-huh.
Yeah, I have 2 boys. One is 13, the other one is 8.
Oh, nice. Yep. Almost done. We're just gonna be going a little bit up and then we're done.
Okay.
Yep. I'm just very thorough because I want to make sure that I evenly coat the area so you have the best shot at removal. Back in PA, I was a med spa. We used to do this with lasers as well. But and actually, it actually works well with this. Doing it this way too. I've done many removals in my years.
Okay.
Yep. You're not my first. It seems like she did pointillism through here. You know what I'm saying?
Oh.
Like little dots. Uh-huh. Almost done. Okay, I think we're done. You're like, yay! Just want to make sure I get the edges. Because she was very heavy with the edges. There. All right. I actually think that you're going to be really good with the removal.
I hope so.
I do.
When I have to come to see you then?
Another month.
In a month?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, another month. Yep. Yep, another month. See what happens.
Okay.
Oops, sorry. I snagged your lashes. I'm so sorry. You okay?
Yeah.
Oh, let me clean you up a little bit. Let me clean you up a little bit.
Okay. Okay.
I want to take pictures.
Okay.
I'll let you see. You can see in the mirror too. I don't know if you need magnification or not.
Okay.